Hello guys, Nick Duffer, Duffer Foundation Repair here again. I'm pretty excited about today. Today we're going to be actually on the job site here in Greensville, Texas to kind of show you how it's all done. You know what I mean? We've got a lot of holes dug right now, so you kind of get to see the underbelly, I guess you could say, of the foundation of somebody's home, and then also get to see the lifting of how the home comes up and crack flows, things like that. So really cool, exciting things going on today. So come on, follow me guys. See, you walk through here, the home guard, got fresh piling in here. Here's our fresh piling. See a few cracks right here that we showed you on the last video. Same house, a few cracks here. A little bit noisy, as you can see. You come over here. Before, this is where the crack was in the wall. We blocked that up, covered up by the trim. Come up here, as you can see, the piling, the dirt, they got the jacks there. So that's the start of the job. I'm going to show you the complete product when we're all said and done. But right now, that's how we're going. The job's going along real good. The brick's coming up good. We're excited to have this job done. This will be a turnkey job. Be done today, starting at 7:30. We'll be done by 1, 2 o'clock today.